Shazia, you've heard this argument. We've heard this argument for the last 3 to 4 days, ever since this supposed ambush plan was put into play, that these are not terrorists who will go and attack the Prime Minister. They are elected representatives of this country. They are not stray dogs who will go and bite the Prime Minister. They are elected by the people of this country. So to make these exaggerated charges, is that a bit too much?
Because they're elected. That's why they're in the parliament, right? It's the parliament. Obviously, they're elected. That's why they're there. So it's not rocket science to figure out that they are members of the parliament. My point is different, and I don't think, Shreya, you're getting it. This is the parliament. It is not a light matter. It is no theatre. There is no need to make it very light and easy that they're not Atangwadis or terrorists. Parliament is not a protest site. MPs know whether they're opposition benches or treasury benches, whether they're not even supposed to cross the galleries, the lobbies. So it's very, very clear what the rules were. Everybody knows what the idea was. Nobody's saying that they were terrorists. Nobody's saying they were there to attack. There is something called moral attack. There is something called dignity of the house. There is something that is known as running the conduct of the house with decorum and dignity.
Okay.
This is never happened. No, that's not okay, because you allowed everybody a lot of chance. So I must come here and tell you, Parliament is run by rules of procedure. There are constitutional conventions and there is respect for the chair. So it's not about gender. So let's not be facetious and try to be too smart and cute about it. Women Congress MPs were placed at the forefront of an institutional confrontation, despite repeated calls for order. And yes, members of BJP were standing with folded hands. And that action endangered the dignity of the house. And what is the house? It is a parliament.
I'm again asking you, the video is on your screens. Where in the video does it prove? Shazia, सुन लो, सवाल सुन लो, जवाब दे देना. Where in the video? Shazia, 1 minute, रुक जाओ. Where in the video? I'm again asking, it's a question. As a journalist, my job is to ask questions. You've been a former journalist, you know that. My question to you is simple. Where in this video is it proved that the women MPs were planning and trying to attack the Prime Minister, who just, by the way, is not even in the house?
Yeah, but it's just a Prime Minister's chair. I don't think you're getting it, Shreya. It's a Prime Minister's chair. There are rules as to when you can cross the lobby. There are rules as to how you can protest and go to the other side. You're not getting it. It's not about them carrying weapons. It's about, would you have liked the marshals to come in and attack these women? Would you want the headlines the next day to be that the women MPs are trying to do a ghirao? It is to protect the dignity of the house. It is
Pooja, respond to that. Pooja, respond to that.
Yeah, if I didn't have photo and video proof of Bharatiya Janata Party walking to the well of the house and shouting in front of Dr. Manmohan Singh, I would have applauded Shazia Almi right now. She's talking about dignity, she's talking about decorum, she's talking about rules, not going. He was the Prime Minister of the country, speaking on motion of thanks to the president. And what were pure BJP MPs doing? They were throwing away papers, they were shouting, they were just take a step back and pause, because we all have video.
Who's using gender?
Don't give me this
Shazia, it's quite cute of you to say that Parliament is not for protest, but our Parliament has always seen protests, and there is nothing in the Constitution that says you cannot have protests in Parliament. But here's the point: the Speaker today.
It never happened before. It has never happened before. There are protests going right up to Prime Minister's chair.
Okay, Kapish ji.
Was standing. Prime Minister didn't come on the Parliament, but here Prime Minister is standing, speaking, and BJP members are sloganeering, throwing away papers on his face. Shazia has some shame. Prime Minister
You wanted to embarrass the Parliament, right?
Acha, ladies, of course the opposition wanted to embarrass the Prime Minister and the BJP. Of course they wanted to, Shazia. There is no two ways about it.
Nothing to lose.
1 minute, Kapish ji, it's 15 minutes into the debate. I want to ask you now. I understand that the opposition and the government are at loggerheads. लड़ाई तो चलती ही रहेगी, चलेगी. पूरे बजट सेशन में टैक्स पेयर का पैसा पानी की तरह बहेगा, काम कुछ होगा नहीं, ये तो हम सबको पता है. I want to ask you, Kapish ji, why have you dragged the speaker in? Now you have moved a no confidence motion, a no trust motion against the speaker. Why? Never in the history of this country, everyone knows, never in the history of this country has a speaker been removed. स्लैश सैक्ड। तो ये सब तो आप ऑप्टिक्स के लिए कर रहे हैं। और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूं, अगर आप नोटिस बना भी रहे थे, कम से कम ढंग से तो बनाते उस नोटिस को। सारी डेट्स गलत हैं उसमें। आप मुझे बताइए, व्हाई डू यू वांट द स्पीकर टू बी रिमूव्ड? वो तो अपना काम ही कर रहे थे।
स्पीकर तो कुर्सी में बैठ के अपना काम तो करते हैं, लेकिन वो जस्टिफाइड तरीके से कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं। और जो हमारा मोशन आने वाला है वो इसीलिए है कि वो एक तरफा काम कर रहे हैं, वो सरकार के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। और ये हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, उनकी लगातार इतिहास यही कहती है। 86 सांसद, आपने कभी सोचा है कि अमृतकाल के यानी 75 वर्ष से ज्यादा के हमारे लोकतंत्र में 86 सांसद को सस्पेंड कर दिया गया हो? कभी कभी बताइए, ये डिग्निटी कहाँ है? और मैं एक चीज ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि भाई काजी मियां दुबले हैं शहर के अंदेशे से। ये काजी मियां से पूछिए कि लोकतंत्र के मंदिर को आपने कितने निचले स्तर पे ला दिया है कि आपको अपनी सांसद, वो भी दुर्गा शक्ति के रूप में, आप उनको कह रहे हैं हमारे मित्र बैठे हुए हैं, इनको जरा भी शर्म नहीं महसूस हुई कि बता रहे हैं कि वो काट लेती हैं। अरे वो डॉग थोड़ी ना है कि जो काट लेती, वो वेपन्स हैं, वो रखे हुए हैं। आप सस्ती लोकप्रियता हासिल करने के एक महिलाओं की डिग्निटी के साथ खेल गए, और ये आपको माफी मांगनी चाहिए अपनी मदर और सिस्टर से।
दीपक रेड्डी, would you want to seek forgiveness of all women MPs, because you are the one who said on this show that they could bite the prime minister? Would you like to apologize to them? Kapish ji is saying you should apologize.
Shreya, already they have given a complaint, and I think I'll be getting a notice. But let me make one thing very clear. I did not say that they would be going and biting, but I said there is always a possibility. So I want to make that thing very clear.
Mr. Reddy,
Okay,
do you still stand by it? I don't want to get into this, but do you still stand by it?
No. Let us say.
Deepak ji, do you still stand by your biting remark?
I said there was a possibility.
You still believe there was a possibility that these women MPs could have bitten the prime minister?
Then what was the reason for them to go so close? There are several possibilities. There are several things that
I could hold a placard.
I really don't know.
Mr. Reddy, I could hold a placard and protest against someone, but that doesn't mean I'm going to bite them.
Let me